Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anyway, I'm back again. Your girl don't show. Now maybe that girl with the talk truth. I'm back again. I love you guys, and I love those who share my video, and I love those who keep on clicking like. I love you guys. Although today program that I want to do is about those that do message me and tell me that the freeze is saying lies. See, let me tell you guys, if you have issue with that, if you go and settle it with him, don't come to my video and come and write some rubbish. And you guys that said my English is not correct, please, don't worry about my English, I don't even care whether my English is correct or not. I don't care. No be you send me go school, yeah? My papa send me go school, no even complain. And again, no, let me tell you, today, I want to pray in my program today because I've never prayed in my program, You see you guys that used to come to my video and comment rubbish, good and fine. I said something about tithes, and I said that the free said the truth because how to pay your tithes. If you're that type that do follow my video, you will understand what I'm saying. So no need of me to say it again. All of you guys, some people said I'm right, some people tackle me, some people complain about my English, that my English is not correct. All this one, I don't even know what concern Agboro with overload. I don't know what concern tithes and English. I don't know. And I make a video about people in Libya dying, they need help. You push should tell your pastor to come and help them. We need help because they have been paying tithes. Those people too, they pay tithes. They pay tithe. Oh. No be say no they pay tithe, they pay tithes. I made that video. Nobody, even, let me even say, people that even comment on that video is true. But when I made a video and said that the free says the truth about tithe, my dear, if you my followers, if you my follower for Facebook, go and look at it. Oh. You will see people that watch that video and comment. Now wey be say I can't do video, say people dey Libya, mo na send una pastor, say people dey Libya, say they die, they kill them. That una pastor wey get private jet, wey dey collect billions of naira, wey dey collect am for church, wey get private jet, why they no carry that private jet come outside, make they go rescue those people. My dear, na 70 for YouTube, na I be reach 60 wey watch that video. For Facebook, how many people watch that video? But when I do video say that the freeze they right, I see people will watch the video. The other one why I thought say pastor wey dey collect tithe to be say for church they go dey worship share for church. More than 10,000 people watch that video. The other one I say that the freeze say the truth. They still watch that video. Because if you don't talk something about tithes, about money, for about money they don't give pastor money again. You go see pastor, you go see people who will come outside. Maybe say them too they be pastor. Now they be agents of devil. Now they be CCC we will get for this life. Now them they'll come outside, they will tackle that matter. Time now don't reach to go Libya, go save our people. Go save Christian they pay tithe too. Una no even kill, una no even talk anything about that matter. You this useless and I go even in fact I go even describe this English, or I want even tell you. You get the fucking right to tell me that my English is not right. That I don't speak my English well. You have the fucking right to tell me that I don't work. In fact, wait, I pray for now, Oh God. I no go use God to do this prayer because I tell you truth. You see God, God is a merciful God. Any pastor will use God threaten you. Come on, that pastor no be pastor. Because you see we are our God, if God really wicked, the way we talk say God wicked, might tell you truth, you see all those people they use God's name, they collect money. All those people they keep us because of God, they God for them lavish them. But as God take them merciful rich, now he makes sinful this life, might tell you, So therefore, any man of God can never threaten your life with God. Any good man of God, because my dear, if you are reading your Bible the way you say you read your Bible, well, let me tell you the truth, you will know that true, what that the free is saying is truth. So therefore, I will pray for you. I don't want to see all these people, all these pastor followers. I don't want to for my program. Oh. If you not come for my program, more na can't talk something truth. More na no can't tell me say I no get work. Oh, my dear. Now you where you dey no get work. Because it is an night you be saying once in a year where they pay house rent. For outside country, they pay house rent every month. And YouTube no be free. Oh. might tell you truth, because free way in be self now just say YouTube na free. If you want download something for inside you go use internet, and internet they pay am. They know they chop and thank you very much for anywhere. So might they tell you truth, eh? So now my prayer, be say all those people, all those Judas, all those people, I beg, if your name na Judas, no verse, so I no call your name, but I dey call Judas wey dey inside Bible, wey use wey you collect money wey take sell Jesus Christ, because now the thing still dey happen again. I go pray for now. If una come my video, come comment rubbish, come tell me say my English no correct, come tell me say I no get work, come comment something about my video wey be say you no tell me something wey dey make sense for my video. What I tell you, Arirala, Ogun, Alusi Okija. In fact, no, Alusi, because if I say let me pray for you in a God's way, my dear, I'm wasting my saliva, because I know that God will not do anything to you. God will not kill you, because God own is that every day for the thief, one day for the owner. That is it. God is a patient God. Let me tell you the truth, so let me swear for you, Alusi, now you go punish you. I do not want somebody like you in my own video. You see, in my own video, I don't want it. And a message for you guys that do support pastor. Please and please, our brothers and sisters that in Libya, they need help. Go and tell your pastors them to come and help them. Let them bring their private jet. All those money they used to collect is much. Is even okay. Billions. Naira. Is even okay. So if this video that I do is paining you, that means that in fact you don't among of all those Judas who will get for life. So that is it. Now you be those person who use money say Jesus Christ. Now you be that. So I will still say it and say it again. That the Free is saying the truth. My dear, if you want to know maybe that the Free is they say truth or not, carry your Bible, read them. And Mona do followers for him. Because him, they quote for inside Bible. And God go punish that person who tell me say that word don't quote no dey for Bible. I beg, God no verse, so I no use God to swear. I rather go punish that person. I be crazy one worry you now. I do video with the peace una dey. You see, it's not by force to be my friend though. It's not by force to follow me on YouTube. And it's not by force to follow me on Facebook anywhere. It's not by force. If you don't like me, delete me. Cancel. Cancel me. And don't come and tell me the way I will speak my own English. Don't come and tell me that, And don't come and lecture me, Nobody, see education, Nobody perfect, Go to our president, say the English way they speak in Arabic, whether I no go carry you put for sale. I beg my lovers, Jademona, take care. I love you guys, and I love those who keep on sharing my video. Please, share this video that I said, You people should share it to your pastor to come and help people in Libya that are dying, That dying, please, Mona come help them for Libya. Private jet owner. Pastor Billions, Mona kada money come aside. This is right time we need our money to work. I know some Mona give me money. Mona kada money, go help people with Libya. Make them come back home. Now woman be born there. Might tell you truth, When I fit also born a family, but remember, wetin don't affect nose, affect eyes. Wetin don't affect eyes, affect nose. But I go still talk. Now, I know rich, and I know if you talk anything past this one. Mona take care. Mona have a wonderful day. I love you guys, and I love those who keep on sharing my video. Love and caring. Bye. One love. Bye.